So today we make a short about how to get Firefox back onto your AIO tab when uninstalled it. I downloaded the APK, the installation file from up to down here in the corner. Press get the latest version. Take care, it's a little bit of a commercial you can get to download. Scroll down and then here's the green button is press download. Then save it. It takes a while. Copy it from your computer or where you downloaded it onto a USB-C stick. Then turn on the tab. Put the stick into the tab. You can see it's working. Go to next page, go to files, and then not downloads, go to the USB-C, and then to the place where you saved it. I saved it in the folder download. And here you have the file, the Firefox file, and press on it. Sometimes the tab will ask you to install the file from an unknown source. Due to it's a bigger file, it takes a while. App will be confirmed. And then just a warning about that it can happen. Press go ahead, press install. After that, it will get installed. That's all. Now you can go to the tab and run your Firefox as usual.